Professionals, are you ready to own your own business? Let's talk problems. 9 to 5 workday plus traveling. Your salary is currently not keeping up to inflation. Your profession is going downhill. Let's talk solutions. Number 1, how does a 2-hour workday sound? Number 2, to 100% profit in your pocket. Number 3, income streams that's outside your profession. Hi, I'm Jane Stuckey, and I'm a town and regional planner by profession. And my income has not kept up with inflation. I started searching for alternative income streams, something that could relate to passive income. Jane, Yes to Daily Pay is my business. It's got 4 products that will teach you the skills to start marketing digital and other products. No more door-to-door. No more calling friends. No more going to conferences. Everything is done from the comfort of your home. Whilst you're learning, you're earning money. You can migrate from your current profession from an 8-hour workday to a 2-hour workday. You will gain the skills to market 4 digital products included in the business and any other product that you're currently trying to sell. And the best about social media marketing, and you know this, is that it's for free. You're one step away from migrating to a 2-hour workday, 100% profit, and time freedom. Are you scared to make the change? Don't. Yes in the comments. Jane, yes to daily pay. See you there.